Welcome to the channel where we are learning Selenium with Python. In this video, we will learn how to handle alerts. First of all, you must understand what is alerts. So if I click on this button, look at this. This is called alert. Some people call it as pop-ups, alerts. So how to handle, because this is not part of your page. You have to switch to this alerts and click on OK button. So how to handle alerts? That's what we're going to learn in this video. For that, I'm using a demo website. This is demoqa.com/alerts. Guys, I'm trying to give you variations of website where you can practice. In my all videos, I'm using different websites so that you can get different variations, different demo sites to practice. Because practice is the only thing that's going to make you more confident. And with practice only, you're going to learn more. So this is one of the websites, demoqa.com. I will use this website as URL. So Control C. I'll go to PyCharm and here I'll write the code. So driver assign WebDriver dot. Of course, I need to import this. And here I'll write dot Firefox. You can use any browser, as I always say. Code will not change with browser. So driver.get, and here I'll paste the URL which I've copied. After this, what I want to do after this, I want to click on this button here. So right click on it, inspect element locator for the same. This is the element locator, copy, go to PyCharm and write down driver.find element by, import this, and now I'll write by dot id, comma, value, and after this I want to click on it, right? The action is click. Now I will write driver dot switch to dot alert. I want to switch to alert. Look at this. Here when I click on this, I want to switch to alert, right? I clicked on it in my script. Now I want to switch on this element here, that is alerts, and then click on OK button. I said please switch to alert. Just storing this into one variable called alert. So now I write alert dot. You have lots of options here. You can accept, you can dismiss, you can send the send keys. I want to accept it because it's OK button. So when you get only one option, OK button, it's called accept. You have to click on OK. That's dot accept method. So it will click on OK button, and let's see how it works. I click on run. I execute this. It opened the browser, went to the URL, clicked on it, and the alerts are handled. It was super fast, I understand. So what I can do is, so after switching to alert, I'll wait for some time. So I'll write time dot sleep. This is to wait. I'm saying please wait for 3 seconds. And after this, I want to close the browser also. So driver dot close. Let's see. So it opened the browser, clicked on it, you clicked on a button. So you got the message, it executes perfectly. This is how you handle the alerts. But alerts are not just this. There are different type of alerts. Look at this. There is alert which appears after 5 seconds. So for example, I click on it and I have to wait for 5 seconds. So I need to insert wait event in this. Look at this, then handle it. This is confirmation box. So you click on it, you get two options here. You want to click on OK or cancel. So two options are there. When you click on this, it will ask you to enter something. So these are 4 types of alerts. So we already handled this. I'll teach you how to handle this one. For this, again, I have to click on this button. So let's inspect element for this. So copy. What I'm gonna do is I'll change this here. So by dot ID, I'll change the ID because I'm using different ID now. So Control V. Of course, switch to alert. I want to wait now. So wait for 5 seconds. I already inserted wait event. I want to wait for 5 seconds, then accept it, then close it. Let's execute this. So it opened this, clicked on it, waited, and I got the result. So this is how you handle any alerts with wait events. Now we will handle this, in which we will have 2 options, that is either click on OK or cancel button. So we'll use 2 methods, either accept or to cancel, guys. The name of the method is dismiss. So the way is same. I'll click on, let me cancel this. I'll click on this button, inspect this. This is the ID. So Control C. I'll go to PyCharm and here I'll type the ID. Switch to alert, because here you have option to dismiss. Alert dot, I can use dismiss here. Or I can click on accept. So dismiss is to dismiss, to click on cancel, accept is to click on OK. Let's say after this also I'm going to wait for 5 seconds. Control C. Let's wait for 2 seconds. Execute this and see the result. So it clicked on it and they're saying yes, you clicked on cancel button. So this is how you can handle alerts with two options. Any confirmation box is there. Dismiss or accept, you can use any one of them. Now the last option is we need to add something into the prompt. You have to type something here and then click on OK. So for that we will be using the method. So first of all I have to click here. So I have to get ID for this. Control C. Go to PyCharm. Change ID here. Control V. Okay, then I'll switch to alert. After switching to alert, I will type something. So in order to type, you will write alert dot send keys. And let's say I want to type something. I am alert. Then I want to click on OK button. So alert dot accept. So this is how we perform action on it. Let's execute. Accepted the value, then clicked on OK, and then the browser is closed. So this is how you handle alerts with various options. Just accepting, waiting for 5 seconds, then accepting, clicking on either dismiss or accept option, and then sending some data into it. So guys, this is all about alerts. Most of the time in interview they ask you questions related to it. So please prepare it accordingly. I wish you good luck and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.